If you're encountering the invalid credentials error on Workday HCM, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to case sensitivity and any potential typos. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password and create a new one. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to your organization's IT support or Workday support team for further assistance. They can help identify any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials error and access your Workday HCM account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.